Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking lentil soup with vegetable. So here I have already the lentil. It's been cooking here for about half an hour now. This is 2 cups of lentils and about 10 cups of water. So to this I am going to add some of my vegetable that I already chopped. These are my vegetables that I am about to put into my lentils. Here I have four carrots, 2 stalk of celery. This is 1 chopped onion. And over here I have my 2 cups of pumpkin. And this is 1 teaspoon of allspice seeds crushed. So I'm going to add these vegetables and leave them cook for a while, and then I will be adding my other veggies. So this is what my lentil soup look like. Half an hour later, it is coming on really nice. So I'm about to add the rest of my ingredient. This is 1 cup of coconut milk, and this is a small piece of pepper without the seeds, 2 cups of spinach, and my last ingredient will be 3 grated garlic. And then I'm gonna store these. Yeah, this is what my soup look like. It is coming on really nice. This is my lentil vegetable soup. It looks so delicious already. Ooh, look at the coconut milk of it looking all creamy and nice. Well, as you can see, my lentil soup is thick. This is the way I like it. I like my lentil soup thick. So what I do, I allow the vegetables and the beans to cook out a little bit where they start to melt. And you want to stir your pot several times to avoid any sticking of the food at the bottom. So guys, this is my lentil soup. I'm gonna share out some and let you see what it look like into a bowl. So guys, this is what my lentil soup look like. After I put all the last ingredients, I leave it cook for about 2 minutes. Then I turn the stove off and leave the heat